Best 5 books about habit building. Books are knowledge, and knowledge is power. You can use this power to build better, stronger, more adaptable habits. This tutorial will further your habit education by providing you with the best 5 books about habit building. Atomic Habits. Written by 𝐁𝐞𝐭𝐭𝐞𝐫, this book takes you on a journey to get rid of bad habits and to form new habits. 𝐁𝐞𝐭𝐭𝐞𝐫 writes out 4 distinct steps that happen every time we engage in a habit: cue, craving, response, and reward. To form new habits, 𝐁𝐭𝐭𝐞𝐫 discusses 4 ways to make them more easily accessible to you. These new habits must be obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. This is a great book if you don't know where to start, but you know you want to change up some habits. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The next book on our list, by Stephen R. Covey, is a book for people who want to become more effective. This book lays out 7 distinct habits that highly effective people have that you can incorporate into your own life. I won't go and spoil any of the exploration you can do while reading the book, but I will give away one hint. Basic is best. Prioritize things that are important to you and go back to the basics. Reading this book will help you learn how to say no and will give you the tools you need to become an active listener. The Habit Blueprint. By the author Patrick Edblad, The Habit Blueprint is a great book for habit beginners. If you've just started to become aware of your habits, this can be a great book to get started with. As the title may suggest, it is more or less a how-to guide to habits. Edblad has some excellent tips and tricks along the way to guide your habit-forming process. Edblad helps you diverge from habits that aren't helping to creating habits that will be helping. Better Than Before. As portrayed by Gretchen Rubin, Better Than Before is a great book with many other resources to help you on your habit journey. Rubin discusses 4 different habit tendencies that people can fall into. Becoming aware of these can be exceptionally helpful. Tracking your habits is a big part of the book, so be prepared to have some homework. This book can help you become aware of your habits, a key point of strategy when it comes to getting rid of old habits and making new habits. Keep a pen and paper handy as you read this one. The Power of Habit. This last book on our list, The Power of Habit, is written by Pulitzer Prize-winning author Charles Duhigg. This book is not only written exceptionally well, but it also has some excellent content. Duhigg focuses a lot on the scientific discoveries around habits. It may be difficult to understand a lot of scientific research as it comes out, and this book does an exceptional job of breaking it down so you can understand it easily. Duhigg also focuses on willpower and how to change your willpower over time.